Unfortunately, I do have a sample to show you how they look like. See the back? So this will be the beginning stage of it. It's kind of like slightly brown, and it will go to dark brown. And if you zoom in, you will see these tiny things. You see them? Right there. These tiny speck moving. Oh my God, it's moving. You see that? Ah, that's so gross. Holy moly. Okay, well that. But look. Down here it rooting's crazy. This is the top cut. The sign to know that it need to be repotted is you see the secondary roots right there. It's doing really good, and then it's got attacked by strip. I'm gonna take it out and treat this plant. I really hope you won't find this in your plants at all. This is the beginning, so I better do something. Good luck.